Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn to count from 1 to 5. Are you ready? Let's go! Look, I have an apple. Can you count how many apples are there? This is 1 apple. Can you say 1? Good job! Now hold up your 1 finger, just like this. 1. We have 1 apple. Now I have 2 cats. Can you say 2? Say it louder. 2. Now count the cats. 1, 2. 2 cats. Now we have 3 bananas. 3 bananas. Can you say 3? Say 3. 3 bananas. 1, 2, 3. Show me your 4 fingers. Just like this. 4. Now we have 4 bouncing balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job! Let's say 5. 5. We have 5 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now wiggle your 5 fingers. Good job! Great job, little friends! You counted from 1 to 5. Let's say it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job! See you next time on Melon Rhymes!